Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making Nigerian style breakfast. Let's go ahead and look at the ingredients. First thing I need is diced tomatoes. Of course I need my eggs. Next thing I need is my yam. And of course the onions, okay? Yes, pepper. Do not forget that. All right, first thing first, slice the yam. I always like to start with my yam. I don't know why, but I just feel like that's the best because it takes the longest to cook. All right, so you slice your yam. As soon as you're slicing it, make sure whatever you're slicing, make sure you are dipping it inside of cold water, because if you do that, it kind of prevents it from going black, and also it prevents it from turning bitter. Yam can be very funny, so please make sure you have a cold water set beside you and just dip it in cold water, just like I'm doing in this video. All right, next thing I'll be doing is to slice my pepper and my onions. All right, I try my best to not use gloves, even though it's like super annoying to slice those scotch bonnet pepper. But if you feel like you want to use gloves, please go ahead and use gloves at this point, because the pepper is it's a little bit hot. Yes, that's true, it's hot. All right, next thing I want to do is to boil my yam. If you notice, the yam already started turning black. The reason why I'm not too sure, but of course you can still eat it even though it's that color. Okay, so go ahead and bring your yam to boil, and just boil it up. All right, so while it's boiling, you can go ahead and do other stuff. Anyway, as soon as the yam starts to boil a little, I try to put salt to taste. Some people like to put sugar in their yam. If you like that, you can also do that. All right, so now let's fry the egg, which is the main stuff, the Nigerian style egg, breakfast egg style. Very different from the American or the English style egg. All right, so first thing first, I always like to start with my egg. Wicks it, and kind of get that foamy looking yummy goddess. Then after that, I try to put in some seasoning powder just to give my egg that nice beautiful taste. All right, what is a Nigerian egg without seasoning powder or seasoning cubes? Come on now, come on. Anyway, let's keep going. All right, so the next thing I would do is kind of mix it together and make sure everything is nice and smooth and just looks amazing, and just keep stirring. Please do not get tired at this point until you have that foamy nice looking egg. All right, so now the next thing I want to do is to heat up my pan and then add my vegetable oil into my pan. All right, this is the first step. You don't want to add too much vegetable oil, but you don't want it to be too little. If not, your pepper sauce wouldn't fry properly. All right, so first thing first, I add my onions to the hot oil. You leave it to get hot, and then you kind of fry your onions maybe for about 30 seconds, and then after that you can go ahead and flip it to the other side, just so the other side gets fried too. Once you're done with that, then you can kind of add your pepper, which you sliced earlier, just to give your just to give your egg that's nice peppery shape. Also at this point, I'll be adding my diced tomatoes, which, oh my gosh, at this point everywhere started smelling yummy. Anyway, I love this. Like, I love frying my egg like this. It is the Nigerian style egg. Okay, so once you add all three ingredients, you just let it sit and boil. All right, so as soon as it starts frying, you can tell, because your oil tried to settle at the top and then everything starts to dry out. Please do not leave this unattended, so make sure you keep stirring and stirring in order to prevent any form of burn. All right, so at this point, I'm just going to add additional seasoning powder, just to give my pepper mixture a nice flavor and taste. All right, so I'm just going to mix them up together just so everything looks nice and smart. All right, at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add my egg, which I had mixed earlier. kind of add it. At this point, you don't really want to scatter your egg and have it all over the place. You just want it to fry slowly. Please do not like mash it up, or actually not right now. It's just like you trying to make pancake. You're just letting it sit there for a while just so it can have that fluffy nice egg look. All right, so as soon as you feel like the bottom has fried a little, then you can start stirring it from top to bottom. I mean bottom to top, bottom to top, just like that, as I'm doing in the video, just so your egg doesn't come out too flat or whatever shape it might want to form. All right, just keep stirring slowly, slowly. Anyway, just keep stirring your egg slowly and kind of like break it, flip it to the other side so the other side gets fried too, because we want to ensure that we are not eating raw egg. This egg is not supposed to be eaten raw. Like this particular style of egg is not supposed to be eaten raw. It's meant to be properly fried. Okay, so make sure once the bottom part has fried, try to flip it gently and slowly so you're not breaking everything apart. All right, just kind of do it slowly and gently, and once you're done, just let it sit for about maybe a minute or maybe 30 seconds. All right, and boom, you're done. All right, now our yam is ready. It's boiled, it's beautiful, and we're ready to combine it. Whoop, look at that. That is so nice, and it tastes even nicer and yummier. It's amazing. You should try this. Please let me know when you eventually try it. Please do not forget to hit subscribe, and please do not forget to watch other videos I have for you. Have you seen the shawarma video? You should definitely look at it. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.